our starter. I've got chicken tikka food, and Alan's got the tandoori mix. And tasted absolute sizzling hot when we got it. Tostito, absolutely fantastic. Yum.
Okay, so if Michelle just pans down to our plates, you can really see we're in the Cardamon restaurant in Stockton Heath in Warrington. The service we've had up to now has been absolutely fantastic. The food that we're in is just so sumptuous. It's fantastic. We've just had our starters, brought to us at the table, finished off at the side. Absolutely amazing. So all I can say to everyone at present is this is our Christmas treat to ourselves. We'll keep updated with the second, third and fourth course. See you soon, guys.
I'm back to our mains now. Alan's got chicken madras, I've got biryani something special, and it looks absolutely fantastic. We can't wait to tuck into this. Absolutely gorgeous.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, so we're still in the Cardamon. We're having an absolutely fantastic time with this lovely little booth here, which is fantastic. There's booths all over the place in this place. The staff are superb. They're really attentive. The food's fantastic. I've got a madras with boiled rice. Michelle's got a biryani, which is actually known as the king of curries, if anyone doesn't know. Michelle, just show me the biryani. And it does come with a fried egg on top.
Beautiful.
So all I was going to say to everyone is, seriously, Merry Christmas everyone. The staff are great here. It's one of the best restaurants we've ever been to in Stockton Heath. And we'll get back to you when we get our sweet. Rock and roll. Right. Well, we're halfway through our mains. And, well, naan bread's been tucked into everything. Fabulous meal. I don't like to give 10 out of 10 in any restaurant or any food. But I just asked Michelle, can we find a fault? We need to find a fault with this place so we can say something to people. And her answer was, I can't find a fault. So I'm going to leave it there. That's how good this place is. It's absolutely amazing. I'm leaving that bread now.
As you can see, I'm on a Bailey's coffee.
Again.
Again. And actually, if you look, Alan's on a lovely brandy. And actually, it's a warm glass, which is how it should be when you serve brandy, for anybody who doesn't know. So everything has been absolutely fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Mitz was lovely, so informative, told us exactly how they've done things, decor, the surroundings, their ethos, and it's a family-run, orientated restaurant. You should come here, absolutely top recommended.